Hi students, welcome to online video standard 6 chapter number 3 integers part 3. Students, last part we have learned about addition of integers. We use methods using number line. We learned about addition of integers. Today's lecture we learn opposite numbers and subtraction of integers. Now, first we learn opposite numbers. On the screen, you see that two girls stand on number 0. Two girls stand on number 0, but their faces are different direction. One girl face right side direction and second girl face left side direction. Now, when a girl walk 4 units her right from 0, she reaches the number positive 4. When a girl walks 4 units to her right from 0, she reaches the number positive 4. Second girl, when a girl walks 4 units to her left from 0, she reaches the number negative 4. Observe carefully. First time these two girls stand on 0, but one girl's direction right side and second girl direction left side. First girl walks 4 units to her right from 0, she reaches the number positive 4. And second girl when walks 4 units to her left from 0, she reaches the number negative 4. Understand? Two girls walk same distance but their directions are different. Two girls walks same distance from 0 but their directions are different. One girl walk 4 unit to right side, second girl walks 4 unit her left side. Okay, so both these distance from 0 are equal. When two girls walks same distance but their directions are opposite. Directions are opposite. Both these distance from 0 are equal. Equal means same distance. But directions are opposite. Only the directions are opposite to each other. Their directions are opposite to each other. So, first girl now stand on positive 4 and second girl now stand on negative 4. So, positive 4 and negative 4 are opposite numbers. Positive 4 and negative 4 are opposite numbers. Got it? Now, opposite numbers are at the same distance from 0 but in opposite direction. Now see the picture. One girl walks 4 units her right side, second girl walk 4 units her left side from 0. Got it? Their directions are opposite. So first girl go to positive 4 and second girl go to negative 4. Positive 4 and negative 4, this distance from 0 must be same or equal. So positive 4 and negative 4 is called opposite numbers. So opposite numbers are at the same distance from 0 but in opposite direction. Got it? We see another example using number line. First we come to 6 from 0, right side from 0. In the above number line, the distance from 0 to right side 6 unit and it reached to positive 6. The distance from 0 to left side 6 unit and it reaches to negative 6. Positive 6 and negative 6 are on the same distance from 0. So positive 6 and negative 6 are opposite numbers because distance from 0 must be same but directions are opposite from 0. So positive 6 and negative 6 are opposite numbers. Means the opposite number of 6 is negative 6. Also, the opposite number of negative 6 is 6 or positive 6. Because of we write positive number without sign. Got it? We see another example. First example, the opposite number of 5 is negative 5. The opposite number of 11 is negative 11. The opposite number of negative 97 is 97. The opposite number of 9 is negative 9. The opposite number of 101 is negative 101. The opposite number of negative 17 is 17. Got it? So you write some example of opposite numbers. Now see another picture of number line. One girl stand on positive 6 right side from 0 and second girl stand on negative 6 left side from 0. When a girl walk 6 unit to her right from negative 6, she reaches the number 0. Reaches the number 0. When a girl walk 6 units to her left side from 6, she also reaches the number 0. Means one girl walks from -6 to 0 and second girl walks from +6 to 0. Means +6 plus -6 is equal to 0, or -6 plus +6 is equal to 0. We learn here the sum of two opposite numbers is 0. The sum of two opposite numbers is 0. Got it? Means we take first number 7, that is +7, and its opposite number is -7. Got it? When we take a sum +7 and -7, the answer become 0. Answer become 0. Got it? Now we compare integers. Comparing of integers. You know that if we added 1 to any number on the number line, you get the next number on the right. On the right. When we take 7, we add 1 in the 7, that is 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 is right side from 7. Right from 7. 8 is right from 7. Understand? When we add 1 in the 9, 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 is right side from 9. Understand? Like this example, -5 plus 1 is equal to -4. -7 plus 1 is equal to -6. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. First example, -5 plus 1 is equal to -4, means -4 is right from -5. Second example, -7 plus 1 is equal to -6, means -6 is right from -7. Third example, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 is right side from 4. Got it? Using number line, we learned that. See carefully. Observe number line. -8 less than -7, less than -6, less than -5, less than -4, less than -3, less than -2, less than -1, less than 0, less than 1, less than 2, less than 3, up to we can't say. Means minimum integer or smallest integer we can't say. Like this, biggest integer we can't say. Got it? On the number line, every number is greater than the number on its immediate left by 1. immediate left by 1 means in Marathi, या नंबर लाईन वरती प्रत्येक नंबर हा त्याच्या जवळच्या डावीकडील नंबरपेक्षा एकने जास्त किंवा मोठा आहे. ऑब्झर्व केअरफुली. Using that concept, we compare numbers. First number -8 and second number 10. Which number is smallest? Which number is biggest? One number positive, one number negative. First number -8 and second number 10 means positive 10. You have learned that positive number must be bigger than negative number. So we use sign -8 is smaller than 10. -8 is smaller than 10. Second number, second example, 5 and -7. 5 is positive number, -7 is negative number, means positive numbers is bigger than negative number, so 5 is bigger than -7. Third example, 0 and -1. 0 is right from -1, so 0 must be bigger than -1. Fourth example, +9, +9. These numbers are same with same sign, means these are equal from 0, so these are equal numbers. Next example, -12, -12. Also these are same numbers with same sign. Also these are equal. Last one, -9 and 9. These numbers are same but their signs are opposite. One -9 and second +9. Numbers are same but their signs are different. In this example, positive numbers must be bigger than negative numbers, so -9 is less than 9. Got it? Now using this concept, opposite numbers and comparing how to integers, we learn subtraction of integers. First example, 7 minus 4 means 4 is subtract from 7. We use number line. First we stand on positive 7. First we stand on positive 7. Minus means decrease. Decrease means we go to left side from 7. We go to left side from 7. Girl stand on positive 7 and she walk negative direction. Negative means left side with 4 units. With 4 units. C come to positive 3. C come to positive 3 means 7 positive 7 minus positive 4 is equal to 3. Positive 7 minus positive 4 is equal to 3. This example we learned other method. First, a girl stand on positive 7 plus he walk negative 4. Negative 4 means left from 7. 4 unit from left side from 7 because negative 4. 7 plus negative 4. First girl stand on positive 7 and he go 4 units from 7 means he go to left side. See, come on number positive 3. Come on number positive 3. So 7 plus negative 4 is equal to 3. Observe first example and second example. First example 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 and second example 7 plus negative 4 is equal to 3. In these two examples, write on different operation but their answers are same or equal. Their answers are equal means 7 minus 4 and 7 plus negative 4 is equal to 3 means these two operations are equal. First operation subtraction and second operation addition, but their answers are must be equal. So subtraction means addition, but which addition? First example 4 subtract from 7. First example 4 subtract from 7 and second example negative 4 add to 7. Negative 4 add to 7 means subtraction is the addition of opposite number of second number to first number. See carefully here. 7 minus 4 is equal to 7 plus negative 4. 4 and negative 4, these are two opposite numbers. 4 and negative 4, these are opposite numbers. Means to subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. Got it? Using this concept, you learn how to subtract two integers. Observe, watch video carefully, observe examples and number lines given on the screen and solve some examples using your textbook. Thank you.